Hello everybody, in this video I would like to introduce you Kaggle.com. It is a platform. It is a platform of community of engineers who works in field of artificial intelligence, data science, and this platform is organized by Google, and I have experience in it, and I would like to introduce it according to my experience. So I find it very useful, very practical, and in 2 months I achieved expert level. Next level is master and grandmaster, but I abandoned this resource because I have enough materials here, and it is enough for me, for example. So first of all, I would like to pay your attention what it's learning section in the platform, where you can find courses: Introduction to Programming, Python, Introduction to Machine Learning, next Pandas, Intermediate Machine Learning, and so on, SQL, Future Engineering, Computer Vision, working with data, and you can earn simple certificates, but it's more valuable. It's courses where you can learn programming using Python, for example, in self-passing regime. So next valuable thing here is discussion. You can participate in different discussion, introduce yourself, ask questions, and so on, and earn rates. Increase your rate, earn points, and if you look for profile, there are four types of competition, datasets, code, and discussions. And I'm also a discussion expert, but notebook expert is more valuable for me because it's programming thing. But if you are discussion expert, it's also a sign, can be sign of your professionalism, of your level. So for me, now I'm 4,292nd of more than 50,000 users, and my highest level here was this point, but because I'm idle now, I'm not active about 2 years. I step by step I lost my points, and I have 7 medals. And competitions, I participate in 4 competitions, and I am 81st in this competition, but I not strictly followed rules of the competition. It is my it's competition, and you can look for search and observe different codes. For example, this notebook with gold medal, Python notebook includes code, description and output, and you can look for existing codes, existing works of our participants. So my data set, I collect data and published it in dataset, 4 datasets, and I have earned some points, 5, 4, 3, 2, and with my NLP, with my data set was used in 6 codes, one by me and our by our participants. Participants. So it's data, my codes, it is this one is my Python notebook taken 81st place in competition, and I use my maturity model to evaluate maturity of scholarly papers. And this notebook includes data analysis, machine learning, and assessment evaluation according to levels of a model. And this is my visit card, what I can send to those who would like to know about my experience. Common lead evaluation of, as I remember, students' texts, compositions, student compositions, evaluation of data, simple, data quality analysis, it's analysis of medical images from tissue. It's cells, human cells, but I selected, I paid attention what data set has images with low quality, for example, not informative images, because they are corrupted, empty or corrupted. So web scraping, automatically download data from web. So it's my special notebook showing different problems. For example, two formulas, A multiplied by B divided by C, and he divided by C then multiplied by B, and these two values have different, two variables have different values. One is, it's a very small supplement, but values are different. And also here Hmm. 0, 1 plus 0, 2 false. What? Why? You can run it and check. It's specific side effects of computer languages. So, okay, codes, discussions. As I told, you can participate in discussion and earn points. And more. Ranking system, progression. As I said, it's my progression because I not active about 2 years, documentation and so on. So I strongly recommend you to start using this resource, and this is self-paced modern training platform. And after your activity, after your learning, you will have artifacts you can show to your potential boss when you look for job position. And it's show you professionalism, earn medals, and to be part of community. So okay, I will put link to Kaggle in the comments, and if you see, you can just look it in internet. It's quite popular resource, and participate. Thank you for your attention.